Friends, for our lesson today, we have a special paper that we're going to complete. But let me tell you about the two papers for this lesson. This is your first paper. On the front, the directions say circle the correct number, add, circle the number that is more. Then you're going to turn your paper over to the back and the directions say to write the answers. So write all of the answers. Then connect the dots, starting with answer 1 and ending with the answer 7. So you'll connect the dots and then color the picture. This section right here is the section that you're going to complete with your on-site teacher. Now for our friends watching, your on-site teacher may also give you this paper to complete. So let me tell you a little bit about it. The directions say match the pennies to what they will buy. You're going to count the pennies. Count with me. 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents. And I'll draw a line to whatever costs 5 cents. Down here it says color the picture using the color key. If it is 10, you color it yellow, 11 red, 12 brown, 13 green, 14 blue. You'll then turn your paper over to the back. Count and write how many, color the robot. How many of these shapes do you see? And then color the robot. And then read the numbers on each lunchbox. Match each lunchbox to the sandwich with the same number that comes next. That's going to be something fun to do. So for our friends who are watching, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start working on these papers. Mrs. Turner is going to do this special part of the paper with our friends, and your on-site teacher will do this part with you. And then in just a few minutes, we'll come back and we'll go over this paper together. Friends, I trust that this paper is completed and you have already done this special part with your on-site teacher. Let's go ahead and review our answers. On the front of the paper, it says circle the correct number. How many ships did I need to circle?
3.
3, you're right, Safa. How many of these ambulances did I need to circle?
8.
8, you read that number. What about the police cars? How many police cars do I need to circle, friends watching? You're right, it was just 1. And then how many of the Jeep vehicles did I need to circle?
4.
4, fantastic. Let's add. I'll say the combination and you give me the answer. 1 plus 1 equals?
2.
Good. 2 plus 2 equals?
4.
And 3 plus 3 equals?
6.
It is 6. Circle the number that is more. In the first cloud, you have 6 and 9. What is more, Lincoln, 6 or 9?
9.
9 is more. Go to the next cloud, 13 and 11. What is more, Holly, 13 or 11?
13.
It is 13. You're correct with that. Let's go to the back of this paper. Turn your paper over. It says write the answers, connect the dots, starting with the answer 1 and ending with the answer 7. Color the picture. Let's go ahead and write the answers first. 0 plus 1 equals Kylie.
1.
Good. 1 plus 1 equals Cyrus.
I'm not on that paper because I wasn't done this.
Okay, but answer the combination. 1 plus 1 equals
2.
2. Make sure you're with us. I think you can do it. 1 plus 2 equals Mason.
3.
It is 3. 2 plus 2 equals Safa.
4.
2 plus 3 equals friends watching. Yes, it's 5. 4 plus 2 equals Micah. 4 plus 2.
6.
6. And 5 plus 2 equals Michaela.
7.
It is 7. And then the next part of our direction was 2, starting with 1. You're going to connect the dots all the way to the answer 7, and it should look just like this. Well, for the remainder of our lesson, we're going to finish working on our papers. If this has not been colored, we're going to color it. And then for our friends who are watching, your on-site teacher will check over this paper if they have asked you to do it. Thanks for working so hard in our lesson today. You were diligent.